Hello, hello, hello. Hello, my name is Mike Searson. I'm with Live Your Life Learning to make your life better. Here are some tips and tricks to improve your job search. Have an accurate paperwork system. A job search can involve a variety of unique documents and pieces of information. Have a plan of organization for your job search. Otherwise, documents and pieces of information may get lost. Write your email address as the last part of the email. You may use email communications when conducting your job search. Fill out the email address as the last part of the email. That way you do not accidentally send out the email before you are ready. If you fill out the email address while you're still composing the email, you may accidentally send out the email when you're not ready. Check your email for grammar errors. Your email makes an impression on you. Check your email for grammar and spelling errors. Use grammar checking software to help you find errors. Grammar checking software tools can include Grammarly or ProWriting Aid. Double check the spelling of a name. The name of a person is important. Therefore, you want to make sure you have a correct spelling of the name. Misspell the name can create a negative impression for the email. Ensure you have a professional email address. When searching for potential opportunities, have a professional email address. Do not begin your email address like, "You are stupid," "My needs are supreme," or "Let me waste your time." Have a professional sounding email address. Have an email address just for job searching. Have an email address just used for job searches. You can prevent having an email address that has one email message describing your cousin's birthday party and another email message communicating your next professional opportunity. If you find a website that is valuable to your job search, save it. Write the email address down to remember it, or use the web browser to save the website. If you use Google Chrome, you can bookmark the website. If you use Microsoft Edge, you can favorite the website. Other web browsers may have similar features. Delete voice and text messages from your phone memory. You do not want to miss out on a professional opportunity because your phone did not have enough memory to store a voice or text message. May you be successful in finding your next opportunity. The purpose of this content is to provide insight, research, and opinion, and not to provide professional, legal, or tax advice. Please see an individual expert for individual guidance. Thank you for listening. Thank you.